believe those silly rumors. Life is a chore. I'm telling you, just 5, 4, 3, 2, count it down with me. We'll blast off, and next you'll see what's behind us, shrink and disappear out of view. Wow!
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
Ayan, pang 3 days namin ngayon dito sa Panglao. Kaya meron na naman kaming pupuntahan, guys. Samahan nyo kami. Modto. Ayan na yung aming Grab. Ayan na, guys. Ayan, dito na tayo sa Modto. Ayan, Modto. Okay, guys. Samahan nyo kami sa aming aura today. Last day, 3 days. Pero mamaya pang gabi ang aming flight pabalik sa Pampanga. Okay, guys. Tara.
Modala Resort.
Okay, guys. Mamaya pantin open yung ano. Kaya mag-coffee muna tayo. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Ang aking tasa.
Cute.
Nasa lalamunan ko pa lang to. So cute. Coffee is my life. Coffee is life. Okay. Bumaba tayo dito, guys. Dito tayo sa may beach. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung dagat. Pero hindi tayo dito maliligo kasi balik tayo dun sa Oceanica. Doon kami maliligo mamaya.
Okay.
Samahan nyo kami, guys, sa aming aura today. Last day in Bohol. Wow! Sunog na naman tayo dito! At hindi na naman ang araw! Tama nyo naman. Okay, dito na tayo ulit sa Mayano.
Soldier Beach. Beach near mall.
Aura tayo dito. Ayan, sakay tayo ng ito ay tinatawag na tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk ba? Tuk-tuk ba tawag ito?
Sa Pigiling.
Ayan guys, check out na tayo sa ating condo. Dito tayo ng ayan. Ayan, meron tayong complimentary na bread na lemon ang flavor. At meron pa dito spread.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Tikim. Taste this. Kino-straw.
Ay,
Stick out talaga yun.
pala ito yan. Katsapran.
Eto.
Ito pala ito yan.
Ito po madam ang straw.
Ito pala yan. Cut mo.
Nay, dun lang dito kung ano yun. Huwag sa may ice cream.
Okay. Picture kita. Ayan guys, tapos na kami dito. So, mamaya pa kasi 10 yung aming flight, kaya hanap na namin kami ng ibang pwesto. Ganda naman. Hi. Kami pasoran tayo dito. Uwi na, tara na guys.
We had a good time from what I remember, like Bonnie and Clyde when we are together. But we were at your best friend's backyard party when your phone fell in the pool. Had a couple missed calls.
Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are now taxiing towards Manila Terminal 3 for your safe and proper disembarkation.